As the dawn broke over a serene countryside, little Emma leapt out of bed with bubbling excitement. Today, she would be helping her father on the farm. Emma might have only been 6 years old, but her determination could rival that of any adult. Together with her father, John, they embarked on a day filled with hard work, laughter, and heartfelt moments. The early morning sun cast a golden hue over the fields as Emma and John entered the barn. Their first task was to feed the animals. Emma's small hands clutched the hay tightly as she tossed it into the manger, her eyes glowing with pride when the cows began to munch contentedly. John looked on with a smile, admiring his daughter's enthusiasm. Next, they moved to the chicken coop. Emma giggled as the curious hens clucked around her feet. She carefully gathered the fresh eggs under John's watchful eye, feeling a sense of accomplishment with each one. The day was still young, and there was much more to do. In the sprawling vegetable garden, the duo worked side by side planting new seeds. The soil was cool and soft under Emma's fingers, and she relished the earthy scent. John showed her how to create small holes and gently cover the seeds. As they worked, they sang cheerful folk songs that echoed through the fields, creating a symphony of joy and togetherness. Repairing a section of the old wooden fence was their next project. Despite the challenge, Emma showed remarkable determination. She handed tools to her father and even managed to hammer a few nails herself. Each successful hit brought a triumphant smile to her face. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, Emma and John stood back to admire their work. The animals were calm and well-fed, the garden was neatly planted, and the fence stood strong. Exhausted but happy, they returned to the farmhouse. Emma's bravery and eagerness had shown through the entire day, and John couldn't have been prouder. On the porch, John lifted Emma into his arms. The world around them seemed to pause, capturing their bond in a perfect moment of warmth and love. The sounds of critters serenaded them as they gazed out over the fields. It had been a day of no ordinary labor, but one that brought father and daughter closer together. As they ventured into the house, their hearts were full. Emma knew she wanted to be a farmer, just like her dad. The farm might have been demanding, but with each challenge came a triumph that she was eager to embrace. And thus ended a day where bravery, teamwork, and love collided in the heartwarming adventure of a brave little helper.